Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of Part 4 of the Holy Qur'an. This part covers the remaining Surah Ali Imran and the start of Surah An-Nisa. The main topics covered in Surah Ali Imran are as follows. The virtues of the Kaaba. This is the first place of worship and it has clear signs like Maqam Ibrahim. Anyone who enters the Kaaba attains peace. Unity. Allah signifies the importance of unity among Muslims and give example of unity as rope of Allah. As he states that hold firmly the rope of Allah Almighty and don't create disunity among yourselves. Commanding the good and forbidding the evil. Commanding the good and forbidding the evil are part of branches of religion in Islam. Allah shares the quality of Muslim nation that cares for the benefit of humanity, enjoins good, forbids evil and believes in Allah. 3 battles. Allah shares the aspects of psychological warfare of irresolute believers, hypocrites, polytheists and Jews in reference to these 3 battles. The Battle of Badr. The Battle of Badr is the first and most important battle between the Muslims and the polytheists of Quraysh during the early history of Islam. Although the Muslims were limited in number and resources, with the heavenly guidance they received and their courage, especially Imam Ali and Hamza, Sayyid al-Shuhada, the war resulted in the decisive victory of Muslims. The Battle of Uhud. The Battle of Uhud was a famous ghazwa of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, against the polytheists of Mecca in 3rd Hijrah. Quraysh marched out towards Medina, as they desired to avenge their losses in the Battle of Badr while Abu Sufyan was the commander of the army. At first, Muslims defeated Meccans, but a part of Muslim archers left their assigned posts and faced a surprise attack from Meccans which led to the defeat of Muslims. They faced a serious defeat with approximately 70 martyred Muslims, including Hamza, Sayyid al-Shuhada, who got mutilated by Hinda. Even Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, got injured. The Battle of Hamra al-Assad. The Battle of Hamra al-Assad took place only a day after the Battle of Uhud in 3rd Hijrah. In this battle, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, tried to prevent Muslims' army from a new attack by Meccans. No major fight started between the two sides, but this battle was a mental defeat, which damaged morale of Quraysh's army, opposition and Jews in Medina. It also strengthened morale and wills of Muslims after their defeat in the Battle of Uhud. 4 principles of success. Allah shares 4 principles of confrontation with military invasions of the enemy that will lead to success. First principle, a strong belief that God will help the believers. Second principle, to promote piety and sympathy within the Islamic community. Third principle, not showing weakness to enemies. Fourth principle, resistance against the psychological warfare of hostile groups. Over 30 verses in Surah Al-Nisa are known as Ayat al-Ahkam. The key topics covered in this part are as follows. The right of orphans. Extreme care about their wealth and their property should be handed over to them. Multiple marriages. A man can have 4 marriages at the same time provided that he can maintain their rights on individual level appropriately. Inheritance. The shares of inheritance for sons and daughters, as well as fathers, mothers, husbands, and wives are defined with a condition that the will should be executed first. Mahram women. Following relations are the ones whom are forbidden to marry, such as mothers, daughters, sisters, aunts, nieces, nephews, foster mothers, foster sisters, mothers-in-law, stepdaughters and daughters-in-law.